Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Make some noise. And here I am at another new place, and this time it is IRMA. Yeah. So actually Institute of Rural Management. So this is if you look at the surrounding environment here, then you will see that how beautiful it has been decorated. Yeah, let me show you. So this is the main entrance, and if you just go there, then this is the main walkway to go to the institute. And if you look at the surrounding place, then there is lots of trees you can see, and lots of birds also. Yeah, there have lots of birds, and mostly I have found parrot here. Probably you can hear the noise, hear the chirping of the birds. So there is lots of parrots, and there is the playground actually, and that is so large. Actually some work is going on in progress on that area, that's why there is green coverage. And you can see that how beautiful the walkway is. Yeah, there is lots of birds. Yeah, lots of, even lots of birds and squirrel, and all the time the chirping of birds makes it so beautiful, so amazing. Probably in this video just you are unable to see the birds, but there have lots of parrots mainly. You can see a hole in the tree, and actually I just noticed that four parrot in a queue just came out from that hole. Yeah, but they are in the top of the tree, so that's why I am just unable to show you the parrot. But probably you can hear the chirping of the parrot. Yeah, so this is the institute building. Actually you can see there is it, and here you can see the IRMA, Institute of Rural Management, Anand. So it's a large area actually. This is the institute building, and you can see that how beautifully it has been decorated. And here you can see two number of crane actually. Yeah, let me take a close view of it. Yeah, so here is it. They have slightly red on the head. Yeah, you can see it. There you can see a parrot just sitting on the tree just in front of me, and wow, it looks so amazing actually. So this is such a large area. It will take so many time if I cover all the area. But it is you have just noticed that how beautiful is it, how beautiful its surrounding view is, that how beautifully the trees are standing both side of the road, and there is lots of birds, and chirping of the birds makes this place so beautiful, so amazing. And the main thing of here is that the calm environment during lots of trees, yeah, that just makes it so amazing, so beautiful. And birds, chirping of birds, monkey, squirrel, and there have few other spices, and that's really something amazing. So the chirping of birds, natural view, beautiful greenery, and lots of trees, lots of birds, squirrel, and calm environment makes this place really amazing, really beautiful. And to be here, it was really amazing for me, and to be the witness of such a beautiful area, it's really a proud moment for me. And hopefully you have liked the surrounding view of this place. So it's okay, bye bye then from me, and we will meet again with an another video. And stay happy, stay blessed, and love you all.